So I went ahead and bought a couple of the boxes. They came with 2 of them each, but I squeezed in 2 of the packs in here because I went ahead and gave the other box for Ember to play with. So let's see what our Obsidian Flames gets us. 4. Dolive, Timpo, Surskit, Numel, Stunfisk, Salazzle, Wugtrio, Snubble, Oddish, Darkrai. Next up, Togedemaru, Graveyard, Lechonk, Tuki Bye, Camerupt, Vapors, Masquerain, Glimmet, Audino, and Palafin! I have no idea what Palafin is. Next up, Capsakid, Drillbur, Cubchoo, Spoink, Dartrix, Oinkalone, Salazzle again, Wooper, a Dark Wooper, and its foil, Lampent, and another Palafin. That's funny. And then lastly, Bronzor, Schnabel, Capsakid, Drillbur, Bellybolt, Flamingo, Bronzong, Foil Espeon, Town Store, and an Entei that I've already got 3 copies of. Oh, it was fun. It's always fun getting a lot of bulk.